Are you ready to elevate your dinner routine? With just 15 minutes, you can create a mouth-watering vegetable pulao that bursts with vibrant flavors and colors. Imagine a warm, fragrant dish that encourages you to gather around the table, sharing laughter and stories. This Indian vegetarian delight not only satisfies your taste buds but also brings wholesome nutrition from a medley of colorful veggies. Start by prepping your ingredients. A cup of basmati rice is the heart of this dish, accompanied by a symphony of mixed vegetables like peas, carrots, and bell peppers. The crispness of fresh cilantro and the heat from green chilies promise to awaken every sense. Picture the golden brown onions sautéed to perfection, mingling with ginger garlic paste. This aromatic duo sets the stage for a delightful culinary experience. As we heat the pan, the sizzling of cumin seeds fills the air, creating an inviting atmosphere. Each crackle resonates, hinting at the magic soon to unfold. Once that aroma envelops the kitchen, in goes the vibrant mix of veggies. The colors dance in the pan, and the anticipation builds as you sprinkle in salt and garam masala. This is the moment the flavors unite, melding together into a harmonious blend that is absolutely irresistible.
Next, it's time to introduce the washed rice, gently folding it into the spicy mix.
Imagine the grains of rice absorbing those rich flavors while maintaining their perfect fluffiness. Add a splash of water, cover the pot, and let everything simmer for a brief moment. The steam rising envelops the kitchen with a delightful scent that speaks of comfort and warmth. Finally, as you uncover the pot, a colorful, aromatic vegetable pulao awaits. Serve it hot, garnished with fresh cilantro for a touch of elegance. This dish, oh so simple yet stunning, transforms any ordinary meal into something extraordinary. Gather your loved ones, serve it on a beautiful platter, and watch their faces light up with joy. With this quick 15-minute recipe, say goodbye to stressful dinners and hello to flavorful simplicity. It's time to dig in.